Welcome to episode 13 of the Grain-Based Health series. Today we are going to take a deep dive into the nature and flavor of oatmeal, efficacy and its auxiliary treatment and therapeutic prescription in traditional Chinese medicine. Let's get started. Oatmeal is sweet and flat, non-toxic. It has the highest protein and fat content among wheat. Oatmeal has the effect of stopping sweating and treating dystocia. It can assist in the treatment of dystocia, spontaneous sweating, night sweats and night sweats. Now, let's take a look at the therapeutic effect of oatmeal in Chinese medicine. It excels at dystocia. For stillborn fetuses with persistent afterbirth, you can use about 9 to 12 grams of whole oatmeal, decoct in water and serve warm. Spontaneous sweats, night sweats. If you have these problems, you can consider using 30 to 60 grams of oatmeal. Simmer in water or use 30 grams of oatmeal, 15 grams of rice bran, decoct in water to remove residue. Divide into 2 servings, add a spoonful of maltose each time. Thinness in toddlers. For thinness in toddlers, oatmeal can be hot, steamed or made into cakes. Long-term consumption can help improve women's metrorrhagia. For women's metrorrhagia, oatgrass can be stewed with chicken blood and wine. Also, let's briefly talk about cereal. Oatmeal is sweet and flat, non-toxic. It has the effect of nourishing and strengthening the spleen and replenishing qi. It is suitable for improving malnutrition and infirmity and promoting the growth and development of children, and help in the management of diabetes. How to eat oatmeal to achieve the effect of diet. If it is to improve malnutrition and infirmity, boosting growth and development in children, stir oatmeal into boiling water. Boil for 5 minutes, then turn off the heat and cover for 5 minutes. You can add sugar as you like. Milk jam or salt meat, vegetables and other toppings serve hot. Oatmeal therapy. Because the starch contained in oatmeal will not be decomposed into sugar immediately. Therefore, it is ideal for diabetics. This is the nature and flavor of oatmeal and cereal. Efficacy. Detailed introduction of adjuvant treatment and dietary. Thanks for watching episode 13 of the Grain Healthy series. Next time we will continue to talk more about grains. Hope you continue to pay attention to our program.